Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make lady's finger curry. This is a very delicious side dish that best goes with steamed rice. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a mud pot and to this add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 cup of chopped lady's finger and fry them in medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lady's finger from the oil and set it aside. To the remaining oil, add ¼ teaspoon of fenugreek and ¼ teaspoon of split Urad dal. When they brown a little, add 2 dried red chillies, few curry leaves, 2 green chilies, 6 garlic pods and 10 shallots. Saute well until the shallots turns transparent. Then to this add 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is well cooked, so go ahead and add the spices. Add a teaspoon of salt, ¼ teaspoon of turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon of chilli powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder and ½ teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add the fried lady's finger and mix it well. Now go ahead and add 1 cup of tamarind juice and mix it well. Let this come to a boil. Then to this add 2 cups of water and mix it well. Let this boil in medium flame for 10 minutes. Let this cook until the water reduces and we get a nice and thick masala consistency. Now we have it right and a delicious lady's finger curry is ready. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick side dish recipe. So do try this lady's finger curry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.